Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw the energetic and cheerful princess of Sarasaland, Princess Daisy. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like because it really helps our channel grow and lets us keep making more fun drawing tutorials just like this one. Grab your pencils, get comfy, and let's start drawing. And remember, if any part feels tricky, you can always pause the video and take your time. Let's begin with Daisy's beautiful eyes, drawing two large oval shapes that will give her that sweet and expressive look. Add her long eyelashes to make her eyes even more elegant. Princess Daisy made her very first appearance in Super Mario Land in 1989. She is the ruler of the Kingdom of Sarasaland. Now, let's add her tiny little nose with a simple curved line. Draw her small mouth with lips that almost form a heart shape. Draw the delicate and thin eyebrows just above the eyes. Add the ear on the side of her head. Now draw Daisy's flower-shaped earrings. They are one of her most recognizable accessories. From this point on, we're using a slightly thicker outline. You can try this too by increasing your brush size or using a thicker marker. Let's shape her face with soft cheeks and a delicate pointed chin. Unlike Peach, Daisy originally had short brown hair in her first game appearance. Daisy became one of the most popular characters in Mario spin-off games like Mario Kart and Mario Party. Her personality is often described as energetic, tomboyish, and full of confidence. Draw her bangs, splitting in the middle and curving outward. Now add the top of her hairstyle, almost creating a heart shape. We'll continue the flowing hair later. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. And if you want to learn how to draw more characters from the Mario universe, click the card above and check out our entire playlist. Also, let me know in the comments which character you'd like to draw next. Notice how the tips will eventually go past her shoulders. Time for the crown! Start with the main shape and the pointed tips. Now add the flower-shaped jewels decorating the crown. Daisy's signature flower symbol appears on many of her outfits and accessories. Great! Now let's move on to the body. Draw her slender neck and the little collar of her dress. Add the torso, giving it a graceful princess shape. Now, draw the flower-shaped brooch on her chest. Just like her earrings, it's shaped like a daisy flower, which is also the meaning behind her name. She's looking beautiful already, isn't she? Let's continue with the arms. Draw the puffy sleeve on the right side. Now create the arm resting on her waist, with the elbow slightly bent. Add her gloved hand resting on her hip. Here, I switched back to a thinner brush because it makes drawing fingers much easier. She and Luigi are often portrayed as a pair in many Mario games and official artwork. Daisy became a playable character in the Mario Kart series, starting with Mario Kart Double Dash. She has appeared in numerous sports games, including tennis, soccer, baseball, and golf. Draw the second puffy sleeve on the other side. Now create the raised arm in an L shape because Daisy is waving to us. Add her waving hand with those lovely princess gloves. Even though she appears in many games today, Princess Daisy originally disappeared for several years after her debut, before becoming a fan favorite again. And there we have it! Our princess is absolutely shining in this friendly waving pose. Let's draw the overskirt that sits on top of the dress. Later, we'll color this section in a beautiful orange tone. Now, create the large rounded skirt. Draw the bottom of the dress with its 2 layered sections. For the colors, we used yellow and orange tones for the dress, orange hair, green jewels, and a very soft gray shading on the gloves to give them extra charm. But remember, you can color your Princess Daisy however you like. And here's our Princess Daisy. She looks cheerful, elegant, and ready for another adventure in the Mushroom Kingdom. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.